As far as the treatments go, they have the group therapy, they do DBT, they do some anger management, CBT, motivational interviewing. Also, when the patients come in, we have the sauna, the copper tub to make them feel better. As a case manager, normally what we do is remove barriers so they can focus on their treatment. Barriers with employment, criminal justice, bill paying, those types of things. How we ensure clients' comfort and safety during withdrawal is mostly with the medical team. They provide the comfort meds. They see Dr. Fabi, our nurse practitioner, to deal with some of the anxiety that they may be experiencing. Some of the activities that the clients do outside of the group therapy times is we have 12-step meetings in the evenings. We have Celebrate Recovery that does come in and do meetings with the clients. We have the basketball hoop out back. We have games, puzzles, coloring. And if there's something here that we don't have that will help the client remain calm or a hobby, we will do our best to get it for them so they feel more comfortable. If you or someone you love is suffering with substance use, reach out to FRC. Call us. We are here to help. A lot of us here have been through what you've been through. There is nothing that you could say, do, to make any of us think any less of you. Call us.